most people in the finance department in our industry aren't actually trained in finance. So how can they give the insights like some people that are actually trained on this sort of stuff? And that's a big disconnect that I wanted to call out.
Yeah, no, there can be a big disconnect there, but interestingly enough, one of the things that we often find during the health check, because most of the clients that we're working with, they'll have, whether it's a bookkeeper or a junior accountant, whether it's in-source or outsource, kind of doing the zero reconciliations and the invoicing, all that kind of thing, and then they'll have their tax accountant. And particularly with that bookkeeper or junior accountant, they have so much insight into what's happening in the business and no one's actually asking them. And so when we do the initial financial health check, we'll talk to the tax accountant and we'll talk to the bookkeeper or junior accountant in-house. And quite often we will be uncovering insights from them that just haven't been leveraged properly within the business. And that's one of the key things we do when we start working with a business is we're extracting more value from the resources you already have in place, because we understand how to speak finance to the tax accountant and to the bookkeeper. We understand what questions to ask, where to push when we're not getting the information we want, which the founder of the business or the leader of the business may not know they can ask those questions. Or conversely, maybe asking a question that the person they're asking it to just isn't equipped to answer. And then there's just building levels of frustration on all sides, but no solution. And so we are the conduit between the business and the finance team, because we're not there to replace the tax accountant or the bookkeeper. We're there to get, the real kind of juice and efficiency out of those resources. And
like you said, that CFO role is forward-looking, and you can't forward-look if you don't know current status.
100%. And the first thing we will do, one of the first things we'll do when we're working with the business, and we get an idea of this when we're doing the health check, is to make sure we're working with clean data. We'll make sure that we understand the cash, we understand the P&L, the gross margin, the net margin. Things are being coded consistently. Timing is being recorded, so that we can see the gross margin and the net margin in the right time periods. All of those kind of things. You can't look forward and you can't give insights until you've actually got that piece right.